Hi everybody, my name is Dima from Belarus. Welcome to my channel. If you learn Russian language, this video will be very useful for you, because in this video I will explain you what the difference between two Russian words, ты and вы. If you learn Russian language, probably you know that English word you can translate into Russian like ты and вы. But what the difference between these two words, two Russian words, I will explain in this video. Therefore, watch this video till the end and you will know. But of course, I will try to explain this topic with my own words. But you know that I'm not teacher, I'm not Russian teacher, but I will try really to explain you how you need to communicate with native Russian speaker, with people from Russia, Belarus and Ukraine correctly. Let's not waste time, let's go. So English word you, we can translate into Russian like ты and вы. Ты, вы. I'd suggest you to start with the word ты. Word ты you need to use to your friends, to your parents, to your children, to your acquaintance. I mean to those who you know, and if this man, if this person knows you, understand? I mean, when you use word ты, it's quite informal situation, informal context when we communicate with a native Russian speaker. Yes, for example, if you communicate with your friends, we use only ты. If you communicate with your parents, we use only ты. If you communicate with some your colleagues in your job, you also use word ты. Understand? When we use word вы, firstly you should know that вы it's mean respect. Russian word вы you need to use in the stranger. For example, we met any stranger in the street and you need to ask him something. In this situation you need to use only word вы, because you don't know him or her, and he or she also doesn't know you, and in this situation you need to use only вы. Also, we use this word in the situation like, for example, to your boss in your job, because he's your boss, and in this situation you also need to use word вы, because as you remember, вы it's mean respect. And I mean, if you, for example, met any stranger in the street and you tell him ты, Russian word ты, it's disrespectful. The same situation in the job. For example, if you tell something your boss and you use word ты to your boss, it also isn't respectful. Understand? Therefore, you should know that Russian word вы you should use if you respect somebody. For example, I respect some my colleagues in my job, and if this colleague more older than me, I use word вы because I respect him, I respect her. I know that it's probably difficult for you, difficult to understandable, yes, but you should know that Russian word ты we use in informal situation, to your friends, to your parents, children, acquaintance who you know, and if this person knows you, if we know each other a long time, we use each other word ты. For example, John, will you come here? Will you come to me? John, ты придешь ко мне? Ты придешь ко мне? But if you tell something your boss, if you tell something stranger in the street, you should use only вы, because вы it's respect. You express your respect for him. Or I hope you understood me. I know that it's quite difficult, but I really try to explain you this topic, because, and you should know that, for example, I need to give you advice. For example, if you communicate with people from Russia, from Belarus, with a native Russian speaker, and you don't know what the words you need to use in the conversation with this native Russian speaker. I mean, ты or вы. I give you advice. Better if you will use вы, I mean respect, вы. Because if you will use вы in this native Russian speaker, this native Russian speaker won't be offended anyway, understand? But if you, for example, will use word ты, probably he will offended on you, understand? Therefore, I give you advice, better if you will use word вы. So let's to repeat one more time. When we use word ты to your friends, to your parents, to your children, to your acquaintance who you know, and if this person knows you, understand? When we use word вы to your boss, to the strangers, to your some colleagues who you respect, and so on. Yes. So if it was useful for you, if you learn Russian language, if I deserve, please subscribe to my channel, put like, write your questions for me in comment under this video, and I promise I will answer all your questions. And if you know more information about Russian language, watch my videos in my channel, because I wanna help you learn Russian language. See you later. Bye.